Welcome aboard the Icon DA50, also known as the Dutch-American iconic DA50, or the Steeler Bronson 50. This is a pure aluminum performance cruiser, 50 feet of Dutch craftsmanship built for serious fun and serious capability. Stepping up into the cockpit, this is the social heart of the boat. Twin tables, seating all around, twin refrigerators right here so the drinks stay cold. The entire area is protected by an electric hardtop with a sunroof panel that opens at the touch of a button. When the weather turns, the hardtop can seal down against the windshield for full protection. Notice the deep side decks and high bulwarks with solid stainless handrails. This boat feels secure when you're moving around. Forward, we've got additional lounging space on the bow. Now the real magic feature. Look at this large electric glass panel right in front of the helm. It slides open to turn the lower salon into an open atrium, flooding the interior with light and air. Close it and you've got a cozy, climate-controlled space. Heading down below, the main salon and galley area is bright and functional. L-shaped seating that converts to a double berth, induction cooktop, twin fridges, freezer, ice maker, and plenty of storage. Corian counters, high-end finishes. It feels more like a luxury apartment than a typical boat interior. Forward is the owner's cabin with a large double berth, good headroom, and solid storage. There's a separate head and a separate shower compartment, not a wet bed. And tucked under the cockpit seating is a second double cabin, perfect for guests or kids. Power comes from twin Volvo Penta D8 IPS 800 cars, 1,200 horsepower total, joystick docking, dynamic positioning, and the Seakeeper 6 keep everything rock solid. What do you think of the Dutch-American iconic DA50? Let us know in the comments.